Now let's look at 450.27 in the NEC. And we're dealing with all insulated type transformers installed outdoors in accordance with 450.27. And basically, when all field transformers are installed on or adjacent to combustible buildings or material, there must be a separation or use fire resistant barriers, water spray systems, some way to isolate the transformer if it caught fire from catching the building on fire. And if you notice, when we review our figure 20-29A, well, we're dealing with these oil insulated transformers installed outdoors in accordance with NEC 450.27. You notice in the illustration, we have a transformer that's all insulated in accordance with 450.27. And we have a roof mounted all containment area so that oil can't spread beyond that confinement area or containment area, however you want to call it, and cause fire or damage to the roof and so forth. Safeguards provide protection for these transformers to protect building from openings. You're just not allowed to install these transformers outdoors anywhere around windows, openings, levels where you would have access to exit out and have a means to get to the grade level. And then notice that the transformer is mounted there on the wall area. And notice, yes, it's all insulated, but a barrier is needed there. And if this transformer caught fire in any way, that barrier would protect the building. And that's what this figure 20-29A is illustrating. All field transformers installed on or adjacent to combustible buildings or material. The building material should be safeguarded from possible fire originating in the transformer. And that's what this figure 20-29A is illustrating.